Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about how to generate the random floating point numbers. So we have a random module in Python. First of all, we are going to import the random module. Then we are able to use the random function to get the floating value between 0 to 1. But if we want us in a specific range, for example, 1 to 100, 1 to 50, or any number between 5 to 9, we want a random floating point value, then we are going to use the uniform function. Now let's write some code on Python. See, first of all, the random function, which is provided in the random module, right? So we are going to use the random function to generate the floating value between 0 and 1. Now, if you want to generate the float value within a specific range, then we are going to use the uniform function. So we are going to generate the floating value between 5 and 9. Then afterwards, if you see the value of the float, that is comes as these many numbers, but we want to limit them to 2 decimal places. So how do we do? With the help of the round function. So we are able to limit to 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places according to our own requirement. Okay, round. Then we have used the uniform function then to the limit value. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So thank you.